May 25th is when GDPR goes into effect.
And what it does, it protects people's privacy by regulating how we all process personal data.
With any new compliance regulation, the first step is really education and making sure that our executive team, our leadership teams were educated about what does it mean for our company and how does it help our company at the same time.
What we've really tried to do is understand what GDPR is, what it requires, and then look internally and make sure that we're building the right processes, we're bringing the right people together so that we can become compliant and really kind of lead the way and blaze the path forward for our customers.
We are a supplier of information management systems, so we knew that our products would be helpful for anyone who was going to be compliant.
Principally, we have our legal team and our compliance and data privacy professionals on that team working to build the policies, to understand the regulation and help translate that for some of the folks that might not be able to understand all the legalese. And then on the other side, we have our IT team, and those are the folks who are responsible for really understanding where the data is, classifying that data, making sure that we have sensitive data under control, and then building new systems and new applications, new workflows that help to ensure compliance over the long haul.
We have the IT side of things where they provide the container, they provide the facilities. You have the users where they create all the data. They put it in there, they use it for as long as they need it, then they forget about it. What we haven't had till now is really particularly a need for somebody in the middle to go, okay, we've got all this data, how do we actually govern it?
It's been super fascinating to watch, both from afar and also in the room when these conversations are happening. We do have two very different languages between the language that the legal team speaks and the language that the IT team speaks.
You know, IT folks deal in technology, which is ones and zeros. It's pretty black or white. It's either this or that. Technology doesn't have shades of gray, right? You can ask an application to do X, or you can ask an application to do Y. Legal doesn't work that way. You have to learn to work with each other. You have to learn to trust each other and understand that you're all sharing the same concerns, but getting to that common language and that common platform takes a lot of time.
In my role as solutions marketing, I'm really responsible for understanding how our solutions are impacting our customers. And Veritas is truly customer one.
What I'm quite proud about is that we're ironing out some of the problems for our customers before they get there, because we're early adopters really of this whole compliance approach.
We have constant conversations with our product teams, our product management, our product engineering teams. There's so much that we are learning as we work between IT and legal teams, but also with our business units.
One of the things that we've recognized from some of the research that we've done around GDPR is that while 31% of organizations believe that they're compliant today with GDPR, when you dig a little bit deeper into the data, it appears that only 2% are actually compliant. And so 98% of organizations need some assistance in terms of crossing that threshold. And so we want to take this experience from Veritas and help our customers learn about what to do next to ensure that they're driving forward on their compliance journey.
We are well on our journey to fully implement and operationalize our data insight tool. We have successfully used it against all our data repositories at this point. We are now in our journey to define the policies that need to be implemented against that data and then automate that policy using some of our other tools.
We will all look back at this as being a pioneering moment in data management, and I'm really glad to be part of it.